Hey, I'm Alex with Microsoft, and today I have the brand new Surface Studio 2 Plus. It is a gorgeous device. Let's go ahead and check it out. First, let's talk about the screen. It's the first thing anyone notices when they walk up to the device. It has this 3:2 aspect ratio and a 28-inch PixelSense touchscreen display, now with Dolby Vision. But this screen can do something most others cannot, and that's powered by the zero-gravity hinge. This is what really sets the device apart. You can use it in a traditional desktop mode or push it all the way down into a studio mode to get even more into your work or play. And when you combine it with the Surface Pen, it makes for a device that is unparalleled in terms of what you can do. With upgraded specs, an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, a terabyte of storage, and an NVIDIA RTX 3060 with 6 gigs of GDDR6, you have plenty of power to power your passions. As I mentioned, the screen really is the centerpiece. It's the entire design of the device, and it transforms to help you take more in. With this 28-inch screen, featuring Dolby Vision and hiding newly added Dolby Atmos speakers, well, you can hear and see even more. In this age of hybrid work, Surface Studio helps you make more meaningful connections. And that's in large part thanks to upgraded Dolby Atmos speakers, upgraded camera, and dual far-field studio microphones to make sure that it's you that's being heard and not the motorcycle in the background. And of course, Surface is powered by amazing experiences designed by Microsoft. For example, this Surface Pen. You could use it to collaborate with coworkers or friends and family, whether you're in person or remotely, by using something like a digital whiteboard. And when it's time to connect additional accessories or expand, you'll find the newly added USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. There's additional connections like USB Type-A, Gigabit Ethernet, audio out, all to make connecting for work and play easy. So, who will love the Surface Studio? Well, it might be perfect for you if you want to be closer to your work, engage with your work like never before, and see your work like never before, all thanks to the gorgeous 28-inch PixelSense touchscreen display. Whether it's interacting, creating, or entertainment, Surface Studio helps exceed your imagination with inspiring technology and a gorgeous design that's both clean, sleek, and impactful.
The all-in-one Modern AM241 and AM241 series are perfect for the general use at home and business environments. The design is clean and sleek, and it fits perfectly in this modern day and age. The modern AM models are a true space saver and still packs in more than needed processing power. The high performance is driven by the latest Intel Core processor together with a fast DDR4 RAM. Also, during high workloads, the all-in-one stays highly silent. The IPS panel truly lets you enjoy the best viewing angles, vivid and lifelike colors, providing you with the highest accuracy. To ensure a comfortable experience behind the screen, you can adjust the position to your best liking. The panel also has anti-flicker and less blue light technology to ensure less eye fatigue and more protection. For more convenience, the instant display technology lets you use the screen as a second monitor to another PC or laptop while being powered off. You can also set up a second monitor to extend the all-in-one's display. When you need even more space, you can install an additional 2.5-inch SSD without breaking any sweat. There are 24 and 27 inches models available, and here are the main differences.